Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO V20 SE, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, obviously we'll want to open up settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System, Reset Options, and choose Delete All Data Factory Reset. This will bring up a message that performing this will remove basically everything from it. So if there is anything that you'd like to keep, maybe photos, music, stuff like that, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you lose it permanently. Now, assuming you have already done it, or you simply don't want to back it up, select Erase All Data, do it once more, and this will begin the process. Now this will take about a minute or so, and once it's completed, we then should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.